Hey everybody, what's up? On this video, you'll find out the top 3 retargeting campaigns that you should be running on your Facebook ads. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan here. Welcome to another video, and thank you once again for watching these videos, and I hope they're really helpful. And it's not that my camera broke or something like that, but I'm just trying some new things, as you can see. So tell me if you guys dig it or not. Just leave me a comment below, you know, the usual good stuff. Now with that said, if you really want to get your business and your Facebook ads skill set to the next level, I would strongly suggest that you do 2 things. Number 1, that you subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking somewhere around this video. It's going to be a subscribe button. And number 2, that you come and join the free Facebook group. If you're not watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on Facebook, you may want to click on the link included with this video so that you can come and join the free Facebook group, where we discuss a lot of the good stuff that's happening on Facebook ads this day and age. So let's talk about retargeting campaigns and why they are so important to your Facebook advertising as a whole. You know, a lot of people, they're just sending traffic to a landing page, they're just sending traffic to a product page, they're just sending traffic to a service page, and that's it. And then they are asking themselves why my ads are not converting. So this applies also if you're doing SEO, if you're doing pretty much any type of internet marketing out there, right? Retargeting is by far one of the best strategies that you can use that will bring a lot of additional ROI to whatever you're doing. So on screen right now, you might be seeing a screenshot of a retargeting campaign that we have been running for the past, I would say 60 days or something like that. And the ROI is huge. Now, if you think about it, this is what we're doing when we're doing, and this specific campaign is for a webinar campaign that I'm running. So if you think about it, what we're doing is basically going out there with our cold advertising, right? With people that haven't heard about us, they do not know who we are, they haven't heard about, you know, my client on this case and whatnot. And what we're doing is to bring people through cold traffic, right? Bring people that, again, going out there, using the Facebook algorithm, going out there to bigger and bigger audiences and bringing people into our ecosystem. So if I can kind of break even or better on that regard, you know, from cold traffic, that's pretty cool. Now, the reality is that then after the fact, like they have seen the, you know, landing page, they haven't registered for the webinar, or maybe they have registered for the webinar but they haven't actually attended, or maybe they have attended but they didn't see the pitch, or maybe they saw the pitch but they didn't buy. So at any of those stages, I have a retargeting campaign running so that I can get either A, people registering back to the webinar over the next 30, 90, 60, 180 days, or I can get people, you know, actually going through the sales page. And then I have abandoned carts, which is one of the best campaigns that you can run. So out of all of these campaigns, which are the best performing 3 campaigns that I have ever run, you're gonna find out on this video. So let's jump right into it. So campaign number 1, I told you guys, abandoned carts. That's like the best and highest ROI campaign that you can run right now. It's just because of the fact that if people went through all of the trouble of clicking off your ads, you know, landing on a page, they're surfing through your products, they're even going through a webinar, blah, 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 and they haven't actually purchased, they only need a nudge, if you think about it. You have done all of the heavy lifting already, so they only need a little push for them to take action. So abandoned carts, or, you know, abandoned order forms, they're like the best campaigns that you can run right now. Granted, they are usually low type of investment campaigns. Why? Because you only get a limited type of people, or a limited amount of people visiting your shopping cart, right? You will spend most of your money on prospecting or actually going out there for cold audiences, and then you spend a little bit of money on the retargeting side of things, just because of how the nature of, you know, sales funnels work. Like, you get people being lost throughout the process, which is completely normal. So number 1, abandoned carts. If you're not doing that, do it right now. Implement that today and you will see an uptick on ROI, I promise. Number 2, website visitors. This is a great campaign overall. So it actually depends, and it could be broad, but it actually depends on what other retargeting campaigns you're running. But for example, all website visitors is a great overarching campaign, retargeting campaign to run, because again, you're getting people to visit your website through prospecting, through your cold through your cold campaigns, right? So you get people in, and then some of them will bounce around, some of them will click on it, they will watch it, and they will leave. And most people will do that. That's completely normal. That's like 99% of the normal human beings on this planet. They will behave like that, all right? So there's nothing to be worried about. That's how it works. Now, the reality is that if you have an all website visitors campaign retargeting running, what you would want to do is to exclude your buyers and exclude your shopping cart visitors, because again, we're already targeting those folks with audience number one, or campaign number one, I should say. So at that point, you want to exclude them, and you also want to exclude people that have bought, or people that have, subscribed to your stuff, depending on the rest of your funnel, how it works. But that is something that you would definitely want to run. So all website visitors is a great campaign to be running as well. And number three, last but not least, and this is something that I love that Facebook allows us to do this, are engagement audiences. Like engagement audiences, they could be something like they have engaged with you on a post, they have, drop a like, a comment, or share, whatever. Number one. Number two, they have liked a page. Number three, they have watched a video throughout, 25% of the video watches. So engagement audiences are engaged, right? Like as the name tells you, they are engaged. So you want to run a specific campaign for engagement people. So what I do is on my cold audiences, I actually exclude everyone that engages with my ads, because I always want Facebook to bring me fresh blood, new people. So I exclude my engagement audiences, I exclude the people that like my page, I exclude people that have watched a video, and I also exclude people that are, have visited my website. Why? Because I always want my cold campaigns to be really completely 100% as cold as possible. Now, the rest of the stuff, when they actually land on my website, then they become an all website visitor, and they can even engage. So engagement audiences are really, really good. And if you're not running targeted ads to those engagement audiences, you're missing out. Now, then you can be as ninja as you want. You can run, ads for 25% video views, and then you can run another ad set to 50% video viewers and 75% video viewers, and see which one works the best. 10 seconds video viewers, and see which one works the best. Next one, you can run an ad set for people that comment on your post, for people that like your post, for people that, whatever. So those type of things you want to always be testing and split testing and whatnot. So it depends on how ninja you want to be with your campaigns. So there you have it, guys. Number one, please do an abandoned cart retargeting campaign. Even if you're not doing anything else, go ahead and do an abandoned retargeting campaign, abandoned cart retargeting campaign, or abandoned order form. This works really well for services, e-commerce, for pretty much everything. So go ahead and implement that. Number two, always all website visitors, and number three, engagement audiences. I think that with those three campaigns, retargeting campaigns, that you can run them on the same campaign, the three different ad sets, I think that you should be doing really well, okay? And please do let me know how it goes, okay? Just implement it and do let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions, you can drop them on the comments below, or you can come and join the free Facebook group. It's pretty amazing to have you guys there, all right? So thank you once again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.